Welcome back, guys, to the mobile. Today we will remove the lower dasher from this Smart 2006 pulse because it was cut it from previous job before I purchased. After I suppose installing the AC, which I really don't understand because the AC install was original. Then what I did is find a used lower dash from one of the first model of Smart 450, and after taking measure it, I cut it and I weld it together with the lead weld, and also I put a piece of metal and I use some piece of plastic with hot glue. And because this was one of the first model, there was no OBD port on the right side. I had to cut the hole for it. I made a template with some, like you can see in the picture, with some sellotape, and I cut the hole. After that, all done, I installed, and you can see before and after. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, because still 90% of you, they are just watching, and that will be very helpful for me and the channel. Please subscribe, it's free. Thank you.